How to add chapters in YouTube video. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add chapters in your YouTube videos. So let's get into it. First of all, keep in mind on YouTube, when we create a video, sometimes the chapters are automatically added by YouTube, and sometimes we have to add it ourselves. So how we do it? It's actually really easy. So you will open up your YouTube studio. I have opened up mine. So I'm just going to go to the content over here and we will select any of the video. So you have to select the video. For instance, let's select this one. Click on the details section to edit the details. And now you can see I have a description right here. So what you need to do is in the description, you need to add the timeline, the duration, the chapters in the description. For instance, at 0.30, we have the intro, then at 1.29, this is actually an Asana project management tutorial. So what I can do is I can add like tutorial, the dashboard review at 5, this. So you add like a timeline right here, enter the time, the chapters, and once you do that, you just click on save. For instance, let me actually do that. So you will add like this, but you can also above you can add the chapter details and it will actually turn blue. Once you do that, you click on save. Once you click on save, after a refresh or maybe after 24 hours, you will realize that there are going to be time frame in your videos, and these time frame actually help the viewers to view our videos easily, and we can simply increase our viewership and our views. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.